Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to show you how to create text area fields using HTML. In HTML, we have a tag name known as text area, using which we can create this text area fields. Now, let me practically demonstrate this for you. For that, I'll switch to this editor where we have the sample HTML code already written. Now, inside this body tags, I'm going to write the tag name, that is text area tag name. This is a starting tag of the text area tag. Now I need to also mention the closing tag, that is slash text area. Now save this and go to the location where this HTML file is saved and open this with a browser and see what is coming on the page. On the web page, a text area field is getting displayed. This is nothing but a text area field. So how it is different from a text box field? In text box field, we can only write the text in a single line. But here in text area field, we can write the text in multiple lines like this, okay? So we can write the text in multiple lines. That's the difference between the text box field and text area field. And to create the text area field, we have to use this text area tag name. Fine. Now I would like to increase the height and also increase the width of this default text area field. For that, we can mention or specify some attributes in this text area tag. First one is rows. If you want to increase the height, we have to give the number of rows. For example, if I give 10 and save this, what will happen? Just go to this. Before I load this, you see, this was the original height by default height. Now after refresh or reload, you see the height of the text area field got increased. Now I would like to increase the width also. For that, I need to specify the columns, COLS attribute. And here I need to specify the number of columns. Let's say 30. This will increase the width of the text area field. Now reload, you see the width of the text area field got increased. So this is nothing but a text area field. Fine. So this is how we need to create a text area field using HTML. That is by using the text area tag name. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.